Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nurul Izzati Nazir and I'm going to present my study which was done with Nur Farhana Ardila Aftar with the title of Preliminary Reliability of the Malay version of the Family Almost Perfect Scale FAPS. So basically, this FAPS instrument was designed by Wang in 2010 and the item was formed based on items from Almost Perfect Scale Review. This instrument aimed to measure an individual's perception on their parents' or family perception in the aspect of parenting or child-rearing approach. Before we get into deep about this study, I would like to explain that there are two main things we need to know. First, this instrument is capable of measuring three types of perfectionism, which are adaptive perfectionism, maladaptive perfectionism, and non-perfectionist. Secondly, this instrument consists of three subscales, and they are standard subscale, order subscale, and discrepancy subscale. Therefore, this project is a preliminary reliability study which aims to translate FAPS to Malay and assess the reliability of Malay FAPS. Since this instrument was newly developed in 2010, the availability of this instrument in Malay language is still not yet to be found. Therefore, our aim is to translate the original FAPS into Malay and assess the reliability of Malay FAPS. As for the research methodology, there were 240 participants with age 18 years old and above involved in this study. 46 of them were female respondents and 194 were female respondents. The participant was divided into 4 different age groups: 66 respondents aged between 18 to 21 years old, 107 respondents aged between 22 to 25 years old, 14 respondents aged between 26 to 29 years old, lastly 53 respondents were aged 30 years old and above. This study used a family almost perfect scale instrument with 17 items to measure an individual perception on how they were affected by their family of origin perfectionism. As have been explained before, there are 3 subscales involved in this instrument and each of the subscales measure different things. First subscale is discrepancy. Discrepancy measures the individual perceive about themselves as not meeting family standards for their achievement and performance. Second subscale is high standard. High standards measure the perceived level of high standards for the achievement and performance expected by their family. And last subscale is order. Order subscale measure the tendency to be neat and orderly as the family expected. The scoring range from strongly disagree to strongly agree with 7-point Likert scale. Every subscale has high Cronbach alpha, which are 0.85 for high standards, 0.82 for orders, and 0.95 for discrepancy subscale. SPSS was used to determine the reliability of Malay FAPS analysis. While, in order to identify the type of family parental perfectionism by using FAPS instrument, cluster analysis was used, where it involved the hierarchical cluster analysis and the K-means cluster analysis to determine the type of perfectionism. Now, let's move on to the result of this study by observing the Cronbach alpha, since it acts as a crucial reference to determine the reliability, and it is a statistical analysis used by researchers to reveal the tests and scales that have been constructed or adopted for research projects that are fit or compatible for the research purpose. Based on Table 1, the Cronbach alpha for total item of family almost perfect scale FAPS is 0.875, which can be considered as high reliability because the Cronbach alpha is greater than 0.7. Next, Table 2 shows that family almost perfect scale was tested using a discrimination method. Therefore, the value of the correlation needs to be greater than 0.3 because any correlation value that is lower 0.3 represents that the variable does not measure the same underlying construct as the other variable. Hence, the item needs to be revised or discarded because of poor correlation. And we can see here the item 3 is not to be found in this table. This is due to the correlation coefficient was 0.281, which is lower than 0.3, and it is required to be deleted. So now, let's move on to the reliability test according to each of the subscale. The first subscale here is family standards, and it consists of 6 items. The items are item 1, item 6, item 12, item 10, item 14, and item 17. However, item 10 was deleted from this table because of the correlation value was less than 0.3, which is 0.270. After the item 10 was being deleted, Cronbach alpha yielded for the subscale increased to 0.788. Next is the second subscale, which is family order. Only 4 items involved in this subscale, and all of the items has high coefficient value. Hence, no item was deleted and all were retained. The Cronbach alpha for family order subscale was 0.769, and the items are item 2, item 3, item 5, and item 8. The last subscale in FAPS is family discrepancy. This subscale consists of 7 items, and again, there were no items that needed to be deleted. Based on this table, the Cronbach alpha for this subscale is 0.898, and it consists of item 4, item 7, item 9, 11, 13, item 15, and item 16. Subsequently, the present study examined the reliability of FAPS scale as administered in Malay on Malaysian participants. Firstly, item analysis according to each of the subscale was ran, and the results indicate that all of the subscale yielded high coefficient reliability, which is higher than 0.7. The 0.7 value of Cronbach alpha was used to indicate whether the subscale either has high or lower reliability. The Cronbach alpha value for family standard subscale was 0.788, for family order is 0.769, for family standard is 0.898, and this means that the translation of questionnaire in Malay was somewhat consistent with the original questionnaire developed by the original author Wang 2010. Moreover, the result of this study supports other findings such as Ortega 2010, where all of the subscale were found to have high reliability in assessing family adaptive perfectionism, maladaptive perfectionism, and non-perfectionism. To be concluded, the translation of FAPS into Malay FAPS can be used in Malaysian population to determine the 3 categories of perfectionism among Malaysian family or parents. The result of this study also could be used as a reference for other authors in the future regarding Malay FAPS. This is due to more study in future is needed to establish the psychometric properties of the Malay version of the FAPS that include bigger sample size of Malaysian population due to uniqueness of Malaysia on its multicultural and multiracial. That's all from me. Thank you.